So what essential role does the root endodermis play during the mineral absorption in the plants? So generally in plants, the minerals and the water absorbed by the root hair enters in two different pathways. One is the apoplastic pathway, the other one is the symplastic pathway. In apoplastic pathway, water and minerals enter into the cells through a non-living system, that is through the gaps between the cell wall, and cell wall is completely permeable. It allows each and everything to enter inside, so there is no checkpoint. So all the minerals which is present in the soil can make an entry into the cell through apoplastic pathway. So here the water and the minerals are moving in the small gaps present between the two cell walls, so there is no living cells over here. Whereas in symplastic pathway, the minerals and water absorbed by the roots enter into the living system, that is it passes from one cell to another through the cytoplasm, and the plasmodesmata helps in connects one cell to another. So they move through the cytoplasm and they cross the plasma membrane. So when they cross the plasma membrane, we know that plasma membrane is a selectively permeable membrane, so it allows only certain substances to enter and leave the cells. So here the minerals entered through symplastic pathway can be selected, but whereas minerals entered through apoplastic pathway cannot be selected. So there are chances that harmful chemicals can also enter through apoplastic pathway. But once these nutrients reaches the central part of the root, that is endodermis. So here we can see the endodermis. Now this endodermis have got a special chemical called severin. The cell wall and the plasma membrane, they have got a specific chemical called severin. Now the severin selects the minerals to pass through them. So all the nutrients which has been entered through apoplastic pathway, they have to pass through the endodermis, and here only the selected minerals can pass through the endodermis and enter into the xylem, and hence they act like a checkpoints in the roots, and the desired solutes can reach the xylem, and from there it can reach us to the different parts of the plant body.